Hello everyone in Mr. Arnold's e-learning summer school history course. Today we are looking at Unit 3 Activity 8, the curated photo exhibit or essay. The first step that you will take in this is to create a Google document or some sort of app or presentation method where you are going to post your final work. So what I have done is created a Google Doc that is called M. Arnold U3A8, the photo essay. Excellent. So I have picked a certain theme or narrative lens for this, and that narrative lens that I am looking through are the political views of some Canadians. Therefore, I have to use resources from either within the interactive of Unit 3, Activity 7, to find information that is going to support my thesis statement. My thesis statement. The thesis statement can be very clear and very simple. So the thesis statement, you can see, has at its root the theme of extreme problems. Extreme problems. That comes from the unit essential question, which is, how did Canadians react to extreme problems? You need to ensure that your sources are from between 1929 and 1945. You can do this by utilizing the resources from the Canada's World War II Flashpoints Interactive from Unit 3, Activity 7, and any of the resources here that are included for you to use. If you utilize the resources from any of these, you are going to be required to provide a fully formatted bibliography. Excellent. Let's take a look at what an introductory statement looks like. As I said, the first portion of your photo essay is going to be your introduction. You can see in this introduction there is a clearly stated opinion statement. So Canadians reacted to extreme problems by joining political movements such as the Nazis, the Communist Party of Canada, or protesting against government policies such as the government's refusal to allow Jewish refugees from Germany in 1938. Because I listed those three topics, so joining political parties and protesting against government policies, I am going to need to find evidence in the form of images of how Canadians felt towards Jewish refugees and images of possible protests. The first image that I have found and included in my photo essay comes from the interactive Document 2 of the European Holocaust from Unit 3, Activity 7. Since I used this, I do not need to include it in a bibliography. All right. If I scroll down, so that's the introduction, I've included an image. My caption, which is 50 words or less. The photo above from Jackson's Point in Ontario demonstrates that some Canadians did not want any Jewish refugees at all from Germany in 1938. This reflected the opinions of some politicians as well, including the minister in charge of immigration. I would have to find another photo about that or a quote about that from the minister in charge of immigration. Excellent. All right. So to review, we have a document which is called U3A8, the photo essay. It is going to involve an introductory statement with 3 points. Then you are going to find photos from either the interactive in Unit 3 Activity 7 or any of these sources. And under each photo, a caption proving that your particular image or photo or painting or poster proves one of your points. Excellent. If you have any questions for me about this, please send me a message via Google Chat, and I will talk to you folks soon.